In this video, we're looking at how to deploy Access Server on an ESXi hypervisor. First, you need to have an account with OpenVPN. If you do not have the account, please visit our website, openvpn.net, click on Get Started for free, and create an account for yourself. If you already have an account or you just created your account, click on Sign In, and then use Access Server and use the email address and a password that you used to create your account and sign in to Access Server portal. From here, you can click on Deploy Access Server in the middle of the page or click on Install Access Server from the left menu. Either one is going to take you to the next page. From here, you can see that Access Server is available for a number of platforms. Today, we are talking about VMware ESXi, so let's click on that icon. If you scroll down, you can see the instructions here. Step 1 is download and unzip the OVA file. We provide Access Server for VMware ESXi as an open virtual appliance or OVA file that is ready for deployment on your ESXi host. So let's start with step 1. We're going to download our OVA file. Once download is complete, then we can go ahead and move to step 2. Step 2 is deploying the OVA file on our VMware. So first we need to log into our ESXi web interface and then click on Create a VM. First, we need to select the creation type. It's going to be deploying a virtual machine from an OVF or OVA file. So we select this and click on Next. Then we need to give a name to our virtual machine. So let's call it ESXi AS 3.0. And then we need to drag and drop or select the OVA file that we just downloaded. So let me go ahead and drop this here. Here, my OVA file. Then we're going to click in Next. From here, you can select your storage. Next, we want to make sure that we select the correct network mapping and then click on Next. And this is when you're ready to install. So we're going to go ahead and click on Finish. This will take a few minutes. I'm going to pause the video here and come back when it's done. Our deployment is finished. We need to look at the new virtual machine in our ESXi interface and then open the virtual console. So I'm going to open it in a new window. So this may take a few seconds and we should be able to see our temporary password and the admin UI URL address. And here we go. We can see it here. Let me maximize the window. We can see the address for our admin web UI and we can see the temporary password here. Let's go ahead and open a browser, and what we're going to do, we're going to type this address for the admin web UI, so HTTPS and 192.168.76.229 port 943/admin and hit enter. We see this error message because this is the first time we're logging into our Access Server. We haven't installed any digital certificate, and Access Server is using a self-signed certificate. So I'm just going to bypass this message. The username, as we can see here in the terminal, it's OpenVPN. So we're going to go ahead and type that. And the temporary password. We're going to type the temporary password here and then click on Sign In. First time when you sign in to Access Server, you need to agree to the license agreement. Please read through it and click on Agree. Here we go. We're logged into the Access Server. The very first thing I recommend is changing the temporary password. So go to Users. You can see the OpenVPN user account here. Click on Edit and type a new password so you don't have to use the temporary password anymore. Once done, click on Save and Restart. At any time, if you need to upgrade your subscription, click on Activation. Click on this link that says Go to Access Server Portal. This will take you back to the Access Server Portal. You can click on Activation keys, either upgrade your plan or purchase a new one. Either one is going to take you to this page that you can choose the number of connections that you need. You can choose your billing cycle, either monthly or annually, and then purchase your subscriptions. Once done, you will receive an activation key such as this one. Just copy that activation key, head back to your Access Server admin portal, and then paste that activation key and click on Activate. For more information, you can visit our website, openvpn.net, under resources, we have documentations and tutorials.